Good morning, one and all. Okay, it's Doug, and you're watching Doug's Den.
You're watching the Doug's Den channel.
Today's the day. Finally getting to take the inflatable kayak out. The Intex K2 Explorer, otherwise known as the Parrot. Yeah, I'm taking it down to Santon Downham in Thetford Forest, where I went before, where I did that little recce video. And yeah, it's about 7:30 in the morning. I got up out of bed at about 6:30, and I've been meaning to take it out. Stop making excuses, just get it out. Hayley keeps saying, no, it's too cold, it's too cold. It's like, I don't care. Once I become used to this kayaking business, I'll be taking it out all year long. You know, I don't want to be a fair weather kayaker. Right, anyway, so yeah, back to the name, the Parrot. I'm not sure if I've explained this before, but this all goes back to when it was bought for me at Christmas. A couple of weeks before Christmas, 2013, Hayley said she'd bought me the present, you're going to like it, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, she wouldn't give me any clues as to what it was. All I know is this big box appeared right next to the TV a couple of weeks before Christmas, and it was driving me bonkers. Wouldn't give me no tips, and I kept throwing ones out there, and she was like, no, I'm not telling you. And I was sitting there one day and I said, that's an air rifle you bought me, cunningly disguised in a square box. She's like, I don't care. You could guess all you want, I'm not telling you. Day or two later, I'm sitting there watching telly, and this thing is there. She's put it there on purpose so that I've got to stare at it for 2 weeks. And she, next thing I've said, the next guess I had was, I know what it is. And she's looked at me as if to say, you're not going to give up, but neither am I. It's a parrot in a cage. And she's just looked at me, yeah, whatever. I said, but I tell you what, it's been very well behaved, because I haven't heard it utter one profanity in the 2 weeks it's been sitting there. And she was like, and then come Christmas morning, I ripped it open, seen this inflatable kayak, and I was like over the moon with it. But that, there and then, that was when I decided I was going to call it the Parrot. So that's where the name the Parrot's come from. I haven't done a proper christening yet, you know, I haven't launched it officially. This is just me having some quiet time with my kayak. But I'm going to get all the family together, I'm going to take it down there, and we are going to have a nice little launch. Yeah, but that's it. So off we go to the Little Ouse River. I think that's how you say it. I'm sure it is. Anyway, I'll see you there. Well, here I am. The Little Ouse River. Hey, there goes a goose. Where's he gone? Yeah, it's really, really peaceful. Really, really nice. I don't think the geese appreciate me being there though. There's not a soul about. I'll just give you a little view of what I can see. So yes, this is the Little Ouse River, whatever. It's no, that's what it's called. Well, I put in a little place called Santon Downham. There's like a car parking, picnic area there, and there's like a launching sort of area. It's quite low down, and that was a funny experience. I've never done that, well, not in many, many years. And I was, well, I could have sworn I was going to go in. I'm trying to get my camcorder in, my phone, my rucksack and everything, plus myself, without going in the drink. But yeah, it's really, really is nice. Oh, hello, Mrs. Duck. Yeah, so I think there'll be loads of videos to come regarding this little activity. There's Mr. Goose, whatever. I've just been upstream because I was told to, well, as it's, you know, I'm new to this, go upstream first just in case you get knackered. And that way, when you're going downstream, the river will just take you with it. And it is, because I'm now heading back downstream, and it is lovely. As you can see, I've only put the one seat in because it's just me. But yeah, absolutely lovely. Hello, Mr. Goose. Yeah, I'll be gone in a minute, don't you worry. I'm just gently drifting back down. Oh, this is absolutely lovely. So yeah, all in all, not a bad life. I am so glad that I got this. And you know what? All I've got to do now is just dip the oars in the water, and it'll just keep me from going too far left or too far right or spinning. I had to do a bit of work, obviously, to go the other way, but yeah, I'm just gently floating down the stream. Got a river. Time for an electronic cigarette. No, don't want to go over there. Oh, dip it in there. No, where are you going? We're going that way. That's it. Yeah, I got up about 6:30 this morning. I've been absolutely itching to get this thing on the water, and I couldn't wait anymore. I really couldn't. So I thought, no, I'll bite the bullet, and I'll get out early and come down to Santon Downham. And I'm so glad that I did. I'm spinning. That goose thinks I'm absolutely mad. Oh, it's very reedy though. There's lots of weeds and reeds, and well, not so many reeds, but it is very weedy. I got up that way and I ended up coming back down because it got really, really thick, and because I'm not used to this, I didn't know whether I'd get stuck. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Well, it is for me at the moment. Got to get used to this buoyancy aid. Oh, am I going to the bank? Yeah, this kayak's not too bad actually. Once you get your legs stretched out, pardon my white legs there, not a lot I can do about that this time of year. Work in progress. Try and get a bit of colour on them for the summer. Oh, don't drop your phone. Oh, what's going on there? Oh, I'm losing control now. Okay, alright. I have control. Oh, trying to steer this thing with one hand, it's not the easiest. Oh, that's better. Ah, cross my legs. Oh, nearly went in. So all I've got to do is give it gentle little steers. All one-handed Joe. Camcorder in one hand, or in the other. Oh yeah, I got this licked. Yeah, so this is the Intex Explorer K2. Oh no, not a bad kayak. Could have done with a little bit more width, but then I don't think it'd be a kayak then, would it? It'd be a rubber dinghy. Going towards this big tree here. No, that will not do. Oh, quick, steer, steer. Where are you going? That way. That's the one. That's the ticket. Back on course. Just me, the river, and the sounds of nature. Lovely. Shame I've got to work tonight. Could have stayed out here all day. But I've got to go home, have a shower, and I've got to cut the hedge. I've got to trim the hedge. I think the missus is going to cut the lawn. I'm going to do the hedge. I've only got to do 4 hours tonight. I do 6 till 10 on a Friday evening. My shift isn't that bad. I do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday day. Get all day Thursday off. I get Thursday off. I get all day Friday. I work 6 till 10. I get Saturday off, and then Sunday I work 10 till 3. But luckily, my manager has given me all the bank holidays off, which was nice of her. Yeah, I can hear you. Not a bad morning actually. I thought it was going to be colder than this, but it's quite mild. Suits me down to the ground. This is really, really nice. Should have done this years ago. Could have taken it on the Thames when I was back down south. What's that, a warning to say there's a crazy human coming? Is that a duck or is it a goose? I don't know. Definitely did the best thing going upstream first. Because now like, the river's just taken me back. I haven't got to do any work. I just little directional corrections. Be lovely in the summer. Definitely gonna have to get a hat though. It's so exposed out on the river. And I haven't got much hair on my head in case you haven't noticed. Especially after I shaved it.